तथा वा कलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं मनश्चेन्नलग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्.
The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Principal Dr. Balambika, esteemed management, faculty and students of Brahmananda Swami Shiva Yogi B.Ed Training College, ladies and gentlemen, namaskaram to all of you. I am extremely happy to meet you all on this auspicious day, and let me extend my warm Independence Day greetings and best wishes to each one of you. Friends, today we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day of India. India, an ancient civilization with thousands of years of history, remained under the yoke of British colonialism for nearly 200 years. It was only due to the relentless struggle, selfless sacrifice of scores of our countrymen and women, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, India could gain its independence on 15th August 1947. The freedom which we won is dear to our heart. I would like to urge all my young friends to imbibe the spirit of our freedom struggle in their hearts and minds. You all must always uphold our national honor and our civilizational heritage that inspired our forefathers to fight for freedom and bring down one of the most powerful empires the world has ever known. Friends, I am equally delighted to be part of the virtual Independence Day celebration of the Brahmananda Swami Shiva Yogi B.Ed Training College, as there can't be an enlightened society without enlightened teachers. I mean, only a candle which is glowing will be able to light other lamps. In this respect, the role played by BSS Training College is praiseworthy, and I congratulate the management, faculty, and each one of you who is associated with this prestigious institution. I must add here that Government of India has recently launched its National Education Policy 2020, which places utmost priority on the need for producing quality teachers. Soon there will be a new and comprehensive national curriculum framework for teacher education, which I am sure will greatly benefit all of you. Further, the teacher recruitment process will also be reformed to bring in transparency, merit-based promotion, and multi-sourced periodical appraisal. There will also be a common national level professional standard for teachers. All these reforms will make the noble profession of teaching nobler by enabling the teaching community to devote their entire energy towards nurturing and inspiring our future generations. With these words, let me once again extend my warm Independence Day greetings to all of you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Respected Dr. Vijayan Anand, Dr. K.S. Balambika, teachers, PT officials, staff, students and parents of this most prestigious BSS Gurukulam Higher Secondary School and the B.Ed Training College. I am extremely happy because I have a long association with your institution to be here to convey my best wishes to all of you and your family on this auspicious occasion of the 74th Independence Day of our Mother Nation. Our Mother India is 73 years old now. We need to take care of her so that she lives so happily for many years to come. I really wonder whether we understand the true meaning of independence. Mind you, India was not only a free nation long ago, but was very prosperous, rich in culture, philosophy, education, and a very well developed also. It's only the invasions from outsiders and, more importantly, the lack of unity among our own kings who compromised our freedom. Lesson number 1 for you today is that no outsider can damage us if we stay united. Getting independence was a very difficult task, but maintaining it and having the true feeling that we are independent is a really tough task indeed. What's freedom after all? It is not your independent or your own personal freedom or personal independence. Remember, the freedom actually belongs to the Mother India. It belongs to your fellow citizens. It is your tolerance to accept our citizens, other citizens' rights as it is, where it is, which matters. Let's all be useful and grateful children of our Mother India, and let's not do anything which can hurt the image of our nation and, more importantly, the feelings of our mother. Let's thank and pray for our Father of Nation and the other freedom fighters. Let's also thank and pray for the soldiers who stand guard for us on our borders, who maintain the hard-fought earned independence. I thank the management and the principals for this wonderful opportunity given to me on this auspicious day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
BSS गुरुकुल विद्यालय पालकक्कड़ केरला की तमाम अध्यापक, विद्यार्थीगण, प्रिंसिपल्स और भारत की युवा शक्ति, आप सबको मेरा नमन है। आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर उन वीरों को याद करने का दिन है जिन्होंने अपने कल को आज के लिए कुर्बान कर दिया, जिन्होंने अपने लहू का एक एक कतरा इस हिंदुस्तान और माँ भारती के लिए समर्पित कर दिया। उन वीरों को श्रद्धांजलि देना का दिन है, उन सपूतों को याद करने का दिन है। उनकी वीरता, शौर्य और पराक्रम से हमें एक शिक्षा लेने की आवश्यकता है कि जब जब माँ भारती के आंचल पर कोई दुश्मन अगर नजर उठाएगा तो हम माँ भारती के बेटे अपनी माँ की लाज को बचाने के लिए हर वक्त, हर पल अपने आप को इस माँ के लिए कुर्बान करने के लिए तत्पर रहेंगे। हमारे तिरंगे की, हमारी माँ भारती की तरफ जो आंख उठाएगा उनकी आंखों को नोच लेंगे।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं सत्कृतं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। My humble pranams to you all. Today, our nation India celebrates her 74th Independence Day. In this happy occasion, as teachers, as responsible teachers, we should understand that India's cohesion and strength always lie in the unbreakable spiritual-cultural thread passing through all parts of the country despite its striking differences in languages, customs and habits. It is this inner bond that enabled us to attain freedom. Here, our children present before you a glimpse of our ancient civilization, cultural diversity and progress. It symbolizes both India's glorious past and reflects the citizens' aspirations for a prosperous, progressive and pleasant tomorrow. Yes, in this happy occasion, I feel so proud and blessed, and I wish to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Minister, Sri V. Muralidharan Sir, for his great divine message for our virtual Independence Day celebrations. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Colonel H. Padmanabhan Sir for his encouraging and inspiring message. Now, it is indeed my pleasure to express my sincere gratitude to Subedar Major Yogendra Singh Yadav. Yes, the youngest recipient of highest military award of our nation, that is Param Veer Chakra. We are so proud and happy, sir, for your powerful words of patriotism. Yes, children, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Janani Janmabhumischa Sarghat Abigariyasi. May God bless you all. Thank you very much.
India, the land of sages.
Known for the bravery of ages.
India, the cradle of human race.
Birthplace of human speech.
Its culture, none can beat.
The beauty of India lies in our heart.
The beauty of India lies in us, Indians. Jai Hind.
पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। छल्ला फिरते बन के कफन जब तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे वे थर थर कंबदे सारे। छल्ला फिरते बन के कफन जब तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे वे थर थर कंबदे सारे।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। मिटाने से नहीं मिटते, डराने से नहीं डरते, वतन के नाम पे वतन के नाम पे हम सर कटाने से नहीं डरते, मिटाने से नहीं मिटते। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू।
संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव, विजयी भव, गगन कहे विजयी भव।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata, I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata, I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati, I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati, I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you. My name is Jasvinder, I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jasvinder, I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you. My name is Jamshedji, I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji, I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you. My name is Bindiya, I'm from India.
वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू. वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू. मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू. ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से. पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। मैं वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। मैं वतन मेरे वतन, मैं वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। मैं वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। मैं वतन मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन, मैं वतन, मैं वतन, मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन। आबाद रहे तू, मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन। जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही।
Be kind and responsible. Vande Mataram.
Be courageous. Bharat Mata ki jai.
Be a lifelong learner. Vande Mataram.
Be a leader. Bharat Mata ki jai.
Be honest and have integrity. Satyameva Jayati. Bharat Mataram.
Be resilient. Vande Mataram.
Be empathetic. Vande Mataram.
Satyam Vada, Dharmam Vichara.